made a decision last night that I was
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a tick bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fe.
Sabona Bozayami Unjani, I hope variety. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Mandisa Keswa, and if you are already a subscriber, Ishonami, if you too want to join Amaposa Squad, just press on that subscribe button, Jenga press the manje, or press the no like it, because that is what we do in this channel. We like the video before watching because we might forget. Bozayami, welcome to another vlog. This vlog is part 2 of the Zanzibar vlog. But before we start the video, I just want to do a frequently asked question. And you guys were wanting a breakdown. How much, if you would want to go to Zanzibar one day, how much you should budget? We used an agency to book for the first time because we international trip here to Kala. And 2, we didn't want to do things wrong, so it was much a safer option, which covered our flights to the hotel for our stays to the hotels, including our breakfast kuphela. Zikhona ezinye izinto abazenzelile njengokuthi basibukele indawo njengo The Rock Restaurant. They did like ama bookings for us. In total, we spent 7 days in Zanzibar, and 2 days of which we spent traveling. So siyafika, and then so we didn't have activities through those 2 days. So 5 days we separated it. 2 nights in Stone Town. It's Stone Town, guys. It's like the city near the airport, so it made sense with Stalingayo. So I'd say also Kalangayo, Inamaya, things like Inakupenda, and things such as the Stone Town tour, the Spice Farm, of which it is all included in part 1 of the Zanzibar vlog. And I see the love that you guys are showing me on that one. 3 until the 5th night we spent in Paja. Paja is another part of the island, of which it is near Amanima activities such as the turtles. The turtles are in Paja, and then Kona Onyungwe, which is like the higher part of the north side of the island. Esithole ukuthi siwavisithe sayabo Kwende Beach. Ziningi izinto esenzile, and I'm grateful ukuthi sikwazile ukwenza konke ebesithe sifuna ukwenza on our trip. So lokho ke in total it costed 23,800 rand. And then Bozayami, uyazi nawe kumele sibe bahle, kumele siyenze our hair, our nails, maintenance, and also just clearing those cards. Bozayami, busy go. I think you should plan ahead. Unokuthenga kancane, ungatheki sekuyisamba usuzwa ngazuthi you're spending so much money. But in total kukho konke lokho, I'd say roughly I'd give it 15,000 rand. My cost was 9, and then konke lokho kunye ama maintenance njengokuthenga ama suitcase, I think konke lokho. Yeah, moving on. We had activities, so a package doesn't cover my activities. Also wins. Let's say at the Rock Restaurant. So the agency books for the activities, but they don't cater. Like a restaurant, you have to buy your own food. So keep that in mind when those are my agents. And also they don't cover lunch and they don't cover dinner. For dinner and lunch, I'd say we budgeted 5,000 rands in Jozoba, right, for ukudla wakho, lunch, and also dinner. And then ngiyasho futhi ngiyaphinda. Mubuka le video, learn from our mistakes, because we did our mistakes. Learn from them, see ukuthi mina I want to do that, I don't want to do that. And then for activities, in total it was 10,000 rands, because it also includes drone shots from the videographer and the photographer. So tina sabantu abayi contact, So each day, like umuntu uzohamba nani, anishuthe zonke izinto like nakupenda island, uzohamba nani emayashini, the horse riding, uzoya kwi-jet ski nani, ahambe konke kulezo zinto for the day. And they don't charge as a couple, they charge per person. Umandisi, okay, uyacabanga. So even the next day, uzoyithanda lento abakutshengisa yona nakusasa uyafoda. So I'd say just capitalize on that. Do zonke izinto. If you're doing water activities, wenze wonke water activities on the same day so you could cheat the system. I'd say just roughly for my activities 10,000 rands just ukuthi ube free yabona ukwazi ukuphefumula phela umhale chocolate ukwazi ukuthenga same time and don't think about it kakhulu. Yeah, because ngiyazi nawe ngelinye ilanga uzoya eZanzibar, so make sure you enjoy this video. Ngiyazi kodwa usuyile because I basically like took you virtually, but now usuyoyibonela ngawakho amehlo. Enjoy this video and nakanjani poza yami video elandelayo, which is going to be my birthday celebration vlog. So njengamanje nje ngiposta le ngena kule yakhe edit. Enjoy.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a the bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make a the. Kilo fe, I'm a dead jugger de, fine.
Ka yabo zumpora. Ya ai.
Imade, topado sile, kilo fe.
Abadan ya zitik dai. Bukit drone ai ni.
Amehlo. Sengibongile usaqeda. We are now checking into our second hotel. It's in Pagia.
Yes, for more. Yes, for more. Namhlanje ngibambile to. We are born with TV. Are you hale? Afuna we Sunday. Yes, for more.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So kala mqala hambisa.
Okay, yeah.
Look back. Yokushaya khona etholwayo. Khona etholwayo. Okay, so welcome to our crib. So we have a mirror and we have a beautiful getting ready area. And these beautiful mirrors. We have Epo, everything like inspired by tropical auntie. We have shaving kits, we have a combo, over for sure, and then beautiful towels. But also I want to show you, let's take this, toilet lethu. I'm gonna turn on the lights lana. Nali toilet lethu. Njengoba ngishilo, everything is inspired by tropical wooden yabo. So even lobby lethu itansi. Yeah. So asiphumeni la because ibanga umsindo, and let me take you to the sitting area. Yabo, we have this beautiful design. I don't know what this is. Farmer tissue, but it's Samawa hotel. I love these cool things. I was making it, it shows that like they are taking care of us. So this is a fan. This is Kala Panke, Inyango, and a mat. Probably it's for yoga. Company for a stretcher. They have the umbrella, and we really need this because yeah, she's we have a upasiti and also gowns for us. Here you can scan for in-service, Slalo, TV, here to no smoking area, and yes, welcome to Samawa Living. We hope you will have a wonderful stay and memorable warm regards. Samawa team, siyabonga Samawa yini manje lena. Samawa yini manje lena. Thakatha ke manje. What's a coconut thing? Abe ukuthi kubuke kamnandi. Yebo. Sorry boys, abesifika umuntu ezolethe ayina. Yeah, ikhabethe lethu. Inside koniketela ama-glass awu-2, coffee, standard, and then lana zonke basibekele yimbe umathe mhlawumbe ubeka la bese siyogeza because la ibhathroom yethu it has impahla uyadlula kanje sambe siyogeza iminyango shawe seminyango giving yabo ukuthi isemnyango uyageza usemnyango. Ngisazobona guys, vele sisageza manje into a restaurant, and then I want to show you our bed. Oh, bed down. I'm sure le mpahla le mhlambe ukuthi kufihleke o mosquito and all of that. It looks very nice, and nathi sisijahile ukuzwa ukuthi kufika kanjani ukulala uziwe njengenkosi. Can I tell you about le mpahla le? Each person gets sleepers, we should also have like Kai. Kai has one on his side, I also have mine. Come closer. Really like the features that they added. They're very unique, and I think Amanyama Hotel should also do this. Lights now, yes, normal headlights, but akanya gahle. And then kona charging ports, but also they have this beautiful feature where ukwazi ukufaka i-cable yakho and charge your phone. But not only that, but also you could do it wirelessly and shapoge and banana a cable for my USB types. Let me show you outside, and then Samsung is a place we don't want to be late. And now we are outside. A cool view is manga, but it's a very nice space. Okay, on your way to now we I mean, yeah, because this is going to be our home for the next 3 days.
Oi, man. Wasambe wena. Hayi wena man, bathi khala mapi SID. Obeka phezulu lemafi. Chima makonye ngempalini. Sesibafaki le line. Bathi khala mapi SID. Obeka phezulu lemafi. Chima makonye ngempalini. Sesibafaki le line. Bathi bayiqedi lizolo. Chimama konye kepaldi sesibafaki le line bathi khala mapi SID obeka phezulu le mafi chimama konye kepaldi
Playing amapiano.
sihleli phandle manje outside. Yeah.
unigijima ngompimbo ngoba sengibhenyiwe nezolo amaphinga phezulu athi bayibhenye izolo bayifuna igijima ngompimbo ngoba sengibhenyiwe nezolo
This is just beginning. Ooh, this is your boss. It was nice. It was so nice, Shank. So, me and Eve, we're trying out some content.
Every time when I don't feel cute, especially if it's raining, and also singing or singing blush. The pictures, I don't like the pictures. That is what's happening now. Today's day was a very success, but guess what? My camera is dead once again. It just doesn't want to turn on. It keeps on saying DJI. So we did Nakupenda. Nakupenda was so beautiful, guys. Yo, I've never experienced such a beautiful thing ever in my life. And ngifistela wonke umuntu ukuthi missing dala yakhe ibe nje njengaleyana, because what the hell, the water was so blue. Then the swimming with the turtles was a bit but I'll rate the experience an 8, not a 10, because one, it feels uncomfortable when they touch you, but it's not scary. Kuthiwa they bite, but yeah, that was for day 2. Tomorrow it is day 3. We're doing clear kayaking. Our log like the boats, smaller nyanya ones, where you sit and then drone shots are taken of you. So we're probably going to do the jet ski, and then crossing fingers we are able to do a mash. Okay, you'll be happy birthday to you. It's a good day. This is the time.
This is the time.
Can you imagine? And we have to wake up at 6 because we have breakfast at 7 and we are leaving the hotel at 8. Look at my eyes. Let's go sleep. We are about to have breakfast. Super excited ngesana ngilambile ngiyashona. Ngiyakuthanda kakhulu ukudla. Kudle lana mfethu kakhulu futhi.
From Shein. That's all about Croxy. This is from Emu.
Okay. Putting on. Oh, putting on everything. Even Nana Lens.
Oh, guys, we are now headed to a new way. So, oh, beautiful. And then we just got off the town. Sizopuza. Oh, thank you. Sizopuza le mpahla fam. Ayibona. Okay.
Tinggal.
Ay, kung
These mangoes.
Coconut food doing very well.
status is she's playing my song, playing my song, playing my song. Her status is she's playing my song. She sends a message with hearts and smiles. I love her pro pic. My girl got style. She writes from home when her time is cool, or from election when she's at school.
Hello my Bozo Squad, today it is day 3 of us in Zanzibar and today we are doing water activities. So we're doing my favorites, the Kia kayaking, we are doing jet skiing, and we are horse riding. Namahashi Amazini. It's gonna be my first time. I'm super excited. This place looks stunning. It looks gorgeous. Camera me feel, but I'm not gonna let that be the end of this. Please let me know if the quality is changed drastically. If from the camera and now it doesn't look the same. Like feedback. Yeah. Enjoy the stay with us.
Playing my song, her status is she's playing my song. I got a message. I'm not regret. Good morning, baby. Time to rise and shine. I love you, God. I love you so. And here in my heart, you have a home.
One crazy sweet sensation. All that I imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. One crazy sweet sensation. All that I imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. Make it happen. Make it happen. One crazy sensation. Make it happen.
Bozo bese uyaphila. Sesibuyile kade siyoshintsha. Ngikho sisibingiyeni ukuthi yegqoyeni. I think we're surprising each other with our outfits. So yeah, sameka.
Ndinumisa uyandithanda hleze seduze kwami ulisoja ungumntu ebantwini ndimthanda kangangolwane ndithi woyoyoyoyo.
Quick one, pause. Sesiyahamba siyokayeka. We can't take our phones there. So uzonibona after this.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry.
Because I'm back from the kayaking. It was very nice. I really enjoyed it. I can't wait to see my video. So now we're gonna do the jet skis. They're right next to the kayaking, and they have those. Those cars are like 4.8 thousand rands if you want to get them. So they are a bit expensive for our budget. So we're not gonna do them. Instead, we're just gonna do a jet ski, and also we're gonna share it, and then have some money to do the horses. Yeah.
My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when
About the jet ski, I hope swear to God, and I hope it's gonna be fun as it looks on the videos. So yeah. How are you feeling with the jet ski?
King nilenda ngesabu yami.
Hey, yabona nje Nkosi yami.
It's still
Change another outfit. Change another outfit. So shintile manje sigqoke lokho. Siyodlala lokho okunye. So yeah. Injalo nje indaba. Nginiphatheleni khulumani fast.
kunjani?
Siyaphila. Boza, so now we are doing the jet ski. That looks beautiful. Mangumyeni. We're doing the jet ski. Oh, Zaya, ganz so gut.
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you
And the water's so blue.
be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Honestly, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service calling on my face. They don't know how to reach me every time that it pays in my rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be on.
Boza, that's where I'm going now. That was my favorite experience for wonke. Ayingefaniswe na lutho. I think, guys, we took 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. We hour, sithathe 15 siyazisola. But sitelile. Awema.
Ukuhamba ngisale emashini thina.
Kethi siyemashini manje. Also guys, siyahamba sifika phambili. It's so beautiful. The water changes color hlampe kawu-4. Ebe green at some point, ebe dark blue, ebe light blue. My goodness. Oh. Awusave imali lapho wena. Hawu uzovakashela iZanzibar. Mkakhe madoda. Ishisa lasenyulenzi. Washele. Lava bazabona. Boza yami. Third outfit of the day is siyodlala amahashi. Siyoba. Let's go.
You talk that talk, but he no matter with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. Calling her subtle, me I like to get it poppin', but the bitches in my business got me out to choose the balance. Out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But any you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest.
Boza, now we are walking to a reception. We are the only ones who are going to be doing a maharaj. So yeah, so it's a maharaj. While they go to a boat cruise. Pendele, strawberry daiquiris and flowers. 45 minutes. Sengizila. Malala. Funa umlomo. Sengibona umuntu oyi-influencer kule hotel. Igama lakhe uNeptune Hotel. Segijima ngathi it's late. Took us 45 minutes to get here, so I think that I'm a bit tired. We go vuga early, but kwazi kwakuhle la. Nala iseNyungwe, it's the north side of the island, Zanzibar, and kuthiwa khona udlala amahashi, and they do allow ama-drones. La kade soya khona ngalapha esihlala ngakhona, they didn't allow ama-drones. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now la machita lawa mamasaya. And yeah, this is how the ocean looks. Really love my fit. Shame. I hope you also like it. Namahashi, guys. She's now on the phone. Look at Mahashi. Oh, Azamashi. These are gorgeous. Yes. They're beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I have to put this.
Helmets. Yes, you need to put.
Okay. Let's go get some way cowgirl. Nice. Oh, but the name is so nice. It's because for you. Oh, no, it's shy. Nice. I'm tired right now. I'm tired right now. I'm going to get it. No, I'm tired and I'm getting tired. Yeah, on the way na. Mapona. Kasi muhle boza. Oh my god. I'm just in love with her. I hope angeke ngiwe. Ngishutha ko-2 Kai. Oh, I must also climb there. Eesh. Pause there. Ngivula iphupho lami bese ngimdala.
16 days of 11 Ripashia leleme Kodwile batuhele Ungabi yawula ya karekere Nabani ya karekere 16 days of 11 Ripashia leleme Smoothies Barabalate Kabalate Aybalate ya mebalate Balate Kakarabagashi Aybalate ya mebalate Sisa karebelebe Pasta ya relere
How was it? How was it? How was it? How was it? Very nice, very nice.
How is the one?
Yeah, it was good.
Hey, Poza. As we explorers. So adora explorers umyeni wami.
Akumnandi
Hey. Sasibuye emahashini. Azamnandi amahashi. Agibela ngisho olwandle. Abuda. Very nice. Siyahamba manje. We're rushing to Doha Sunset London. Yeah. Like I said, for Miami, Aglala, Nula, Thai, Iban, Thai, Doha, cruise, sunsets, tap and vibe. Nah.
You must get back.
How are you? I'm good. Yeah, umyeni useqala umkhuhlane, and also he's very hungry. This is our first meal. We're having a pizza. Why do you like doing this? I take the first piece, I bite, and then you bite, and then you take my piece.
Bukudla ngakanani? Sengithengele khona.
Cheap, bro. What are you cheap here?
Yabo?
Cheap.
So, on the thing, that guy is going to be taking pictures of us. And he's working on a drone shot. This is how this thing looks. When the water's so blue, and I'm a I'm mad, man.
Sunday, yes, she for more, yes, she for more, yes, she for more. I'm sending
Oh my God. Why?
Yes, for more. I'm sending one below. Come on. Come on. Oh, la 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 la, this is the more joy. Oh, la 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 la, someone wanna lot of us. Oh, you mean that it was so yeah. 34, you mean the single my love.
We're having a background.
We are born on TV. I hear highlight of one away Sunday. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm sending one below. We are born away TV. I hear highlight of one away Sunday. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm sending one below. Come on. Come on. Oh, la 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 la, this is the more joy. Oh, la 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 la, someone wanna lot of us. Oh, you mean that it was so yeah. 34, you mean the single my love.
And you will see her status says she's playing my song. Check BBM, and you will see her status says she's playing my song. Playing my song.
Inkosi isiphethe ngendlela, Inkosi isiphethe ngendlela, Inkosi isiphethe Inkosi how isiphethe ngendlela, Inkosi how isiphethe ngendlela, Inkosi isiphethe Oh, Boza. Sasibuyile. That was too good. Kembate. Hey, Kembate. That was just too good. Yaba? No. Oh, you. Now I'm done with this. You see?
She writes from home when her time is cool or from the
Akithinya boss akithinya uyagijima dlala manje sesishintshile we went to freshen up quickly kuyavalwa ngo-40 sebeyasibiza la bafuna sithathe i-order kade beqeda usifonela in the past 10 minutes sesiyo-order i-dinner and then call it a night. And then tomorrow we just have only one activity. Sizohamba ngo-11:30 kuyiwaphi boza we were at a restaurant edumile la eZanzibar. It's proper.
When she's at school, I got her number, but we still chat, exchanging pictures and sending tracks. But to my surprise, what do I see? Her status says that she's
Njani fethu sizodla dinner, having burgers, just to play safe. So yeah.
Hakuna matata. Matata. Jambo, jambo, jambo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Asante.
Mozami, something
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business coming out.
Good morning, Pozayami. Today it is officially day 4 of us in Zanzibar. Today I want to show you ukuthi ngiphethe bani all the way from in South My baby is here. That is what I wanted to show you guys. And today ukuthi sizobe senzani today. It's a chill day. Sivuke nje ngabo 10. It's a free day. You could do whatever you want. So Tina, we don't have any other activities for Nugianza, but we want to go to La Saint Tropez. The restaurant at Tumile, they have like a pool. So I'm planning to do wire. So before we do that, let's test out the pool la hotel ngoba phela. Manje yethu ngeke sayilona cabanga. Ngeke sabhukude because kusasa so check out Sunday.
Where you belong, you won't say goodbye. You can't be outside 'cause the baggage to pack. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so. I'm up below, I'm out of range.
So right now we have to go get breakfast because we have around 10 and manje it's 9:45. And then after that, usukula namhlanje so spend eNyungwe, which is 2 hours away from la. Yesterday guys, it was so beautiful, but sesibuya. So meaning that you have to travel for 4 hours. 2 hours, we are 2 hours away. But yesterday was beautiful. My highlight has to definitely be the jet ski. Yo, that was beautiful. How I wish I was able to take my camera and go. Yo, that was beautiful, and I think everyone should experience that. And then okunye boza, I think impahla le yamahashi, however, that was cool. That was just so cool. And khona into engiyifilayo mengisondelene nezilwane engiyithandayo, it's like a nice feeling. It's ngathi connection there. I really like that. Okunye ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ama videos kazi siwathole. So what they're gonna do is edit our videos and then color grade and then send us the videos. It takes a week for them to do that. So it's a bit like, awazi ukuthi uzoyithanda ama-video akho noma ngeke uwathande. So yeah, it's one of those. I cannot wait for you to enjoy this day with us. We are now headed to eat breakfast. Dear, super late to breakfast. It's your daily. Still have to go. Still share my food. To close in the so cool for the day.
We are born away TV. Are you your highlight? A phone away Sunday. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending one miloto. We are born away TV. Are you your highlight? A phone away Sunday. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. Yes, she for more. I'm sending one miloto. Come on. Come on.
Yashisa, emhlabeni. Jehova. Santa.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Asante wageni, mwakaribishwa Zanzibari yetu, hakuna matata. Let's go. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana.
For the other food and the drink, you will pay at the bar. Yes, also for the restaurant, they will charge you $25 per person.
I've been so many places in my lifetime.
Pozayami, we are now at La Saints. So we just want to pick beds first. Uklala la, $40 per person. Mufun uklala first row, $50. So we were thinking, mhlampe la, yabo. Because I think it's dingo, honestly. The sea, ulanje. Kenneth, ulanje, lunje, yabo, namhlanje. But yeah, babe. Thank you, Saitin.
I wrapped it up, my love, stages with 10,000 people watching. I wrapped it up, my love, stages with 10,000 people watching. I wrapped it up, my love, stages with 10,000 people watching.
This is what we got after paying for Impete. These starters are included in the thingy. So I'm not gonna have that. I wanna taste this. It's nice. Sukalami. We're sharing this. Yes, my babe. Imbali yadliwa. Boza kwaze kwashisa. Kukho konke shem kwi-vacation engikufundile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uye ejimini because kwi-vacation suka sesoveza imizimba yodwa and then also vacation ka-inspire shapez ukuthi samele ubuyele ekhaya uyosebenza izimali because kumnandi. This is the life I want to live. Buka bebeliyezi la lempahla le amanzi aloke bana ne hubly guys, and the hubly is unlimited cabanga. So and baby coca what and we are having Savannah. It's dry but you can drink it.
Indaba vision active seyibona kudala sesiyakwazi thina manje
Sasoya nje baby soyibhude.
khuleka ubala.
The water is amazing. Kaza kakuhle emhlabeni. Sidla imali yethu. Guys, amanzi sekugcwele lana.
Sekugcwalile manje. So fanele umhlawumbe before then after. Hi.
Yeah, I find why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes.
Sekuraythi-ke manje. Wenzani-ke man? Oh, it's not deep.
Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one. You don't need no other.
Hope you guys are still enjoying the video and you are subscribing. So shintsha manje sigoke okunye.
Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind, and I'm eating to get free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night.
Alright, so kala misiyaza. Kala mapoza squad. Kamnandelana ngisafuna ukuhamba mina.
But in Tanzania they prefer fresh USDs. Yabo.
Boza, we are joining people at the pool. My husband is so disappointed. We are joining. We're not joining anyone. Also, stop hiding that thing. I want my boss to see. We are very fast. What are we having?
We are having a local white sweet wine.
Yeah, we can't wait to try it. Tavel is right across.
Yes, I don't like the word tavern. I was saying, like a liquor store. Like make it sexy and nice. A liquor store, yes, not a tavern. Tavern was Dalema Tavern, no. It's in Tanzania.
Yes. Yeah.
Since 1969.
If we really enjoy the wine, we are going to buy more to make it a souvenir to take home.
You can even buy 2 or 3. Just in case.
Also, Pela angengene konke masokesini to focus. Babe, I would like it. Pela press like. Boza lavelela netha izulu lesixosha. But the wine tastes so good. I think we are definitely getting another bottle and taking it home. Wow, this is so nice. But mhlambe futhi lezulu liyasiza because we have to wake up early and catch flights. Mfethu angakayitholi ithombe zami but someone just got their pictures. Ubusi, and the pictures are picturing, bro. So kusazoba mnandi la. I can't wait to see my pictures. Lana ke vula. Nayo. Wow. Jima ngisho vacation. Hayi susuhlanye.
Sihlelele sipholele kamnandi and the next thing.
Enzoyisho ukuthi ngikhumbula i-Aramex, ngikhumbula uSpa Tops because Chalabala iyadura, iSavannah ladi sikhona was almost 112 rand. Abanga iyodwa. And then ukudlakalana abafaki isawuti omningi noshukela. Of which it's good because nathi dawethethu sicabanga ukushintsha senze kanjalo, but asambeni manje sekhaya ngisazokubona Maduze. Oh my god, the famous Zanzibar airport. Boza sekuyasayinwa futhi cabanga usuhamba.
So passport number or the date of issue.
Uzoyiphambanisa?
Yes. English.
So I'm
ukhulumisa abantu elona e-airport awenzi nje abangani asihlangene eportini nalento sitshela yona awuhlangene nalokho uloku engabuka izinto zethu la sithwalisa kakhulu la ngomunye buso sitshela ngeenkinga zakhe la e-airport silaleli nje sihlangene usitshela ukuthi ivisa ngaso shacema sihlangana portini
manje ufuna mina nihlangana nevisa fanele uthole uthi tu
mina ngathi yonke into nje siyi-South Africa ngathi ngizithola konke sithathele asisafuni
Oi man.
Smoke on you, can't tell I talk on you. Where I die for us all. Bari piri maru.
Oi. Wasambe wen. I wanna man. What you call my P? SID. Oh, brother Penzu, let my feet. Chimama konye, kebali. Zesta fagi, ile laini. But Wathi khala mapi, yes I did. Wabeka phezulu lemafi. Ijima makonye kepali. Sesipasa kile layinini. Bathi bayiqedile izolo. Bayifuna igijima ngompimbo. Papa seyibhenyiwe nezolo. Amapi phezulu. Bathi bayiqedile izolo. Bayifuna igijima ngompimbo. Papa seyibhenyiwe nezolo. Mayingi nyoso. Hola, hola, badala.
Sesifikile eGoli. Sesiyisho ukuthi ushintsha ama-time zones. So kade ushayile u-4 wadlula waphinde waqala phansi.
Bathi bayiqedile izolo. Bayifuna igijima ngompimbo. Papa seyibhenyiwe nezolo.
Sifikile eSouth. Legs will be our first meal eSouth. Amang. Umnandi? Finally. Kudla kwasekhaya. Mina bawethu have ipasta guys. Pasta dry, yazi pasta dry. Engafakwe sauce.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind. You make it happen. You make it happen.
We have arrived in Durban. How are you feeling? Baba lona yethu, yes guys. Baxebula plastic like we wrapped the thing. What makes you unwrap lona yethu? Ukusidakela nje lokho. Ukisho ukuthi ade kumnandi eTanzania. But we have a lot of things to tell you about the experience.
Ungumuntu ebantwini ndimthanda kangangona ndithi wo yo 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 wo yo 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 wo yo 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 yo.
Yeah. Shapha. Sasibuyile kwelakithi eSouth Africa.
Guess who's back? We are back, Sasfile Jini Boza. We just want to reflect before we close off the vlog. So the trip was such a success and we are grateful firstly nje sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi usibuyise siphila umzimba ohlangene nenyama akekho limalile akekho ogulizile akekho njani yes asilahlekelwanga izinto yeah. And then Boza, if you have any questions, do feel free to share it down below comment section. We will be keen enough to answer them, and if you guys want a cost breakdown, we could try and do that, or even create another video for
we break down cost.
But definitely my highlight has to be the jet ski and Amash. When is
it's jet ski or Amash in but then jet ski and Tahoe cruise and also Nakupenda nama food. Namafudu mamba imveli.
Mina kade ngisabe amafudu.
Kade sabe amafudu.
Yeah. Boza. Nani sorry ungena emlomeni.
No. I'm saying it was nice for amafudu.
Yeah. Kebo kakhulu Boza yami ngokubukela until this very end. Siyathanda and we really appreciate you so much. Ngikhathele next time we have a massage. Just to guys, sasayikhumbula iaromenti. Ukudla kwalaphayana akunayo.
usawuthi mncane
ushukela
also
mncane.
ushukela mncane but
And,
it's understandable
yeah.
as to why benze kanjalo akekho abantu abakhuluphele like
There's
no
no
one
obese
who's
people
like
like
because of
yeah.
there's abantu basho
I-diet
because
yabo.
of izinto esiyidlayo. So when we go to airport lapha sithola ukudla lounge la eJoburg.
Bese
Hayibo.
kusuthi.
Hayibo.
Bekusalty kakhulu because
It
it's
was
been like a
salty
whole
kakhulu.
week singakudla ukudla okulona. Because of it, so please do make sure you subscribe. Aseza amanye amavideo, aseza amanye ama-traveling vlogs. From me and Mnyeni Kulungelege. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! So bena kukutela ndilai. Jambo, jambo, jambo. Akwena kuna matata. Jambo, jambo, jambo. Akwena kuna tata. Jambo, jambo. Nayo hakuna matata, hakuna matata.